Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to fix this issue. This is the error code. So how to troubleshoot this issue? Open the Google Chrome. On the search bar, tap there, Visual C++ redistributable image 2023 13. Open that and I apologize. Go. Download option 64-bit. Download. It's going to download. Run it. I have already that, so click on install and install it. After that, restart and your issue will fix. So hopefully guys, your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.